Hi everybody, this is CR number 17, helper video number 3. It says, which of the following is a function? Now you're going to be learning something called the vertical line test. And graphs are awesome because you can tell if a graph is a function or not based on just drawing vertical lines down the graph and seeing how many times it touches one of these lines that are drawn on the graph, or points, okay? So if I go ahead and I am going to my insert line here, my shapes, I'm going to draw vertical lines, and I kind of increase the thickness so that you could see. There's a vertical line, here's a vertical line, I'm going to draw one over here, here's a vertical line. What I want you to focus in on is this. Notice, and I'm going to do this in a different color so you can see it. Notice that on my graph, it touches this line here, and it also touches the line drawn here. Notice on this vertical line, it touches this line drawn, right? This curved line here, and it also touches it here. Notice on this vertical line, it touches it here, and it touches it here. Now, the only time it is a function is if the vertical line test is passed. And a vertical line test is passed if it touches one and only one time on a graph. So if we look at just A here, it touches twice here, it touches twice here, it touches twice here. So it doesn't touch only once, it touches twice on each one of those vertical lines. So guess what? This is not a function. So I'm going to cross that out. Now I'm going to go back to my shapes. And I'm going to do a vertical line test down here on C. So first I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line right here. Then I'm going to draw a line right down the middle here. And then why not? Let's draw one more line down this point here. Now you might be saying to yourself, well, it looks like it only touches once here on this line. Let me change the color so you can see that. It looks like it only touches, hold on, I'm sorry, I'm trying to find a good color. It only touches once here, and maybe it only touches once here. But if you notice on the center vertical line, it touches here and here. As soon as you see that it's touching twice, it is not a function. So C is not a function. All right, now let's do one more, or two more, because we have two more graphs. I'm coming up here to B. And I'm just going to draw some vertical lines. There's one. Here I'll draw one down the middle. I'll draw one over here. Maybe I'll draw one down here. There we go. Okay, so I've got a few vertical lines drawn. Now, what I want you to notice is this. Every single time I draw that vertical line, it's touching that line graph here. It touched it here. It touched it here, it touched it here. But on this vertical line that I drew, it only touched it once. On this vertical line I drew, it touched it only once. On this vertical line, once. On this vertical line, once. As soon as you see that it touches only one, and I'm going to highlight this, time, the vertical line only touches one time, then that is a function. So B is the answer, and you're going to understand why that is after I teach you this week. But I do want to incorporate some more vertical lines. So let me come on over here to this last set of points to see if these sets of points are vertical lines. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a vertical line through this set of points. I'm going to draw one through this set of points here. And then I'm going to draw one down the middle because there's one point there. Now you might be saying to yourself, okay, well, it looks to me like on this vertical line, the one we just drew, it only touches here at one point. But if we go and look at the other vertical lines, this one touches 2 points. This one also touches 2 points. Then we know it's not a function because on any one of those vertical lines, if it touches a point more than once, it's not a function. So go ahead and tackle your problem. Good luck.